Hi guys, if you're thinking about buying the Feelfunn 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner, make sure you check out the product link in the description below. Today we're taking a close look at what this portable AC brings to the table and whether it's the right cooling solution for your home. When summer temperatures start climbing, staying comfortable becomes a priority. A portable air conditioner offers the flexibility of powerful cooling without the commitment of permanent installation, and that's exactly what makes this model so appealing. Designed to cool rooms up to 600 square feet, it's a practical option for bedrooms, apartments, dorm rooms, home offices, and even medium-sized living spaces. Performance is where every air conditioner is judged first. With its 12,000 BTU cooling capacity, this unit is built to reduce indoor temperatures quickly, creating a noticeably cooler environment. Instead of simply circulating warm air like a fan, it actively removes heat from the room, helping you stay comfortable during the hottest days of the year. One of the standout features is its smart control capability. You can operate the air conditioner directly from the onboard control panel, use the included remote control, or connect it to Wi-Fi and manage everything through a smartphone app. This added convenience means you can start cooling your room before you even arrive home, making your living space comfortable the moment you walk through the door. Another major advantage is its 3-in-1 functionality. Besides serving as a powerful air conditioner, it also works as a dehumidifier and a fan. During humid weather, the dehumidifier mode helps remove excess moisture, creating a fresher indoor atmosphere. When full cooling isn't necessary, the fan mode keeps air circulating efficiently while using less energy. Installation is designed with simplicity in mind. The included window mounting kit provides the essential components needed for setup, allowing many users to install the unit without professional assistance. Once connected, the exhaust hose directs hot air outside while cool air remains inside, providing effective temperature control. Moving the unit is equally convenient thanks to the built-in caster wheels. If you spend the day working in your home office and the evening relaxing in your bedroom, you can easily roll the air conditioner wherever cooling is needed most. This portability gives it an advantage over fixed systems that cool only one area. Daily operation is straightforward thanks to the clear digital display and responsive controls. Adjustable temperature settings, multiple fan speeds, timer functions, and different operating modes let you customize the experience according to your preferences. Whether you want rapid cooling during the afternoon or a comfortable sleeping temperature overnight, the controls are easy to understand. Noise is another important consideration for portable air conditioners. While every compressor-based portable AC produces some operating sound, this model is designed to maintain a comfortable level that works well for bedrooms, offices, and study spaces. For most users, the steady background sound quickly fades into the environment while the improved comfort remains noticeable. Energy-conscious users will also appreciate the ability to cool only the room they're using instead of running central air conditioning throughout an entire house. This targeted approach can be a practical way to maintain comfort while avoiding unnecessary energy use. Overall, the Feelfunn 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner combines reliable cooling performance, smart connectivity, simple installation, multiple operating modes, and portable convenience into one well-rounded package. If you're looking for an easy way to stay comfortable during hot weather without installing a permanent system, this model is worth considering. If you'd like to learn more, check the latest price, or see current availability, be sure to visit the product link in the description below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.